Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn how to log into our Unibot account. So let's get started. So if you want to log into your Unibot account, what you can do is just open up your browser, and after opening up your browser in search bar you can search for Unibot login. After searching for Unibot login, you will come up to this page where you can tap on the first option which says University of Bath sign in sign on. So after tapping on that option, now you can enter your username and then enter your password. After entering your username and password, just tap on login, and after tapping on login, you will successfully log into your Unibot University. But if you have forgotten your password, what you can do is just easily reset or recover your password by tapping on reset your password and then create a new one. After creating a new password, just come back to this page, and after coming back to this page, just enter the password which you have created and then tap on login. And after tapping on login, you will successfully log into your Unibot University. That's it guys, this is how to log into your Unibot University. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.